Hello and welcome back to another episode. Why did they make this episode? Okay. What? I have no idea what can I do in this episode. Wait, what? What is this thing? What? Okay, this is weird. Okay, whatever. Do I hold on to this? No. Okay, whatever. And yeah, I don't know what to do. Why did I start this video? Okay. Anyways, I forgot what to do. How fast is this possible? Maybe, what was um, um, oh no, I don't know what to do. Oh, I have an idea. Okay, I think. Whatever. Okay. Oh, I remember it. I wanted to tell you guys that I have earthquakes again. I don't know why this happens. I don't know. Okay, I am really scared. How do I forget the video that I want to make? Whatever. I have earthquake, guys, again. I don't know why. Why do there need to be earthquakes? Okay, whatever. Okay, should I make it longer? Oh, an earthquake! What was that earthquake? Oh my gosh, this is falling. Oh my gosh. No, this video has to end.